Today I'm gonna graft this Echinopsis CV chocolate. So let's start. As we can see, the head is too large and the rootstock is too thin to support the scion. So we'll start grafting this to produce more propagation. This is the rootstock that I'm gonna use. As you can see, it's well rooted. This is my soil mix. As most of you, my old subscribers know, my mix is 3 parts pumice and 2 parts regular soil. Now I'm gonna examine where it's very easy to get a small part. And I think this is very easy. We will cut it here. I love using this blade because it's razor sharp and it's easy to handle. So I'm gonna graft this part. One straight cut. There you go. So this is the vascular ring, where this is the part we're gonna graft flat to the rootstock. There you go, chamfer. Now let's put this on top. Just like that. When grafting like this, we need to make sure that the scion and the rootstock is 100% in contact like this. There's no gap wherein the air can get in, so our graft will be successful. I'm gonna place this in a shaded part of the house in direct sunlight, and after a week we can remove the scotch tape. And if you want to see how it will look after 8 months, I have a grafted version of this, grafted 8 months ago. I'll show you. It will look like this one. See, it's when I grafted this, it was this small, and now it's huge.